Alright, so I wanted to make a video which gave a demonstration of a chatbot that I have added to my website, and I think that it's actually a really cool bot. So what this bot does, it actually allows you to search inside the auto-generated YouTube transcript, that is the subtitles of all the videos in my YouTube channel. And it uses Dialogflow for the search itself. It uses Dialogflow ES. So I've created this bot. It's sort of a way for me to showcase a few things at once. The first thing is that, of course, if people come to my site, they will see a live example of Dialogflow in action, because this bot is, after all, it's powered by Dialogflow. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to type something and search for it. So what I'm going to try is embed Dialogflow Messenger widget in website. Okay, so let's see what it comes back with. So it will take a couple of seconds, and you see that it came back with a YouTube result. And of course, you can see that the title of the video is embed chat widget into your website. It's talking about Dialogflow Messenger, and what you see here is the text is, it's actually a segment of the video which has all these words, and these words are the auto-generated subtitles. Okay, but the best part is that when you click on this for the website, and you notice that it actually starts in the middle of the video. In fact, it's right towards the end, because it jumps directly to the segment of the video where you can see these subtitles. Okay, so this is one way to see that, you know, this is a real Dialogflow bot, in the sense that it's NLU powered bot. It's an NLU powered bot because it tries to parse the words the user has used, and then it's going to come up with some result based on that. So that's the first thing that this bot is showcasing. And the second thing is that this actually uses Zoho SalesIQ chatbot integration with Dialogflow, and it's actually a one-click integration. In other words, to actually integrate Zoho's SalesIQ live chat widget with your Dialogflow bot, and this only works for ES at the moment, all you need to do is just do this connect with Dialogflow button, and it actually connects to your Dialogflow account, and it pulls all the chatbots into connected with your account into the Zoho's console, and you can just choose the bot that you want to use. So that's all I had to do to get this integration to work. And the third thing that I wanted to show you is that this bot, so this is the actual, all the intents in this bot, and you notice that there are 70 pages worth of intents. So given that each page has 20 intents, that actually comes to about 70 into 20, that's about 1400 total intents, right? That's a lot of intents, and I did not have to type out all this information. Naturally, I used my BotFlo app to create agent zip file where I was able to just get all this into a CSV format, and then I made it so that I was able to convert it into an agent zip file. Now I had to do some custom modifications to the existing BotFlo app to be able to do that, but what I wanted to show you is that it just takes all the so let's go into some other intent so that I can show you a better example. So let's see if this is better. Okay, so there are too few training phrases. I'm looking for something which has more training phrases. I guess, let's see. Yeah, this is looking better. So you can see that there are a lot of training phrases, and then the response is a custom payload, which is a format which Zoho SalesIQ understands. Okay, so that's a bunch of things that this bot is automatically showcasing all these things in this single bot, and that's kind of why I created this bot. Now I want to talk a minute about the search quality of a bot like this. Now obviously this is not exactly a great search engine for all the obvious reasons. First of all, the quality of the bot is inherently dependent on the quality of the auto-generated subtitles in YouTube. And even though YouTube subtitles are really good, you know that they have some issues with more technical terms, and of course my site is almost entirely technical stuff. So it does suffer from identifying the technical terms in the videos when they are spoken in the videos. So that's one thing where the underlying text quality itself is not so great, which is going to reduce the search quality. The other thing that you'll notice is that longer queries actually lead to better search results, more pinpointed results, and that's just what you would expect because of the way that I've created this agent, where all the intent training phrases are just text from the inside the transcript, right? So that's the second thing. And the other big problem with this search bot is that, of course, it doesn't show multiple results. So even though it gives you what it thinks is the best result, if that's not something that is what you want, if you're not satisfied by that result, obviously you're out of luck because it doesn't show you anything else. It's just got one result, and that's just the way Dialogflow ES works at the moment, right? But I just wanted to show you all these things because this is a way to, even though this, you might say, some people might say, yeah, but this is not going to be very practical. I kind of agree with that. I don't think that this is what you will turn to if you want to search across all the videos in a given YouTube channel. But this is a very interesting application of the Dialogflow chatbot framework, and also it's a good way to understand like how NLU, that is natural language understanding, how it works in general, because building a search bot like this will give you a lot of insight into what is going on under the hood. So anyway, I just wanted to give you this little demo, and it will be great if you can go and check out this chatbot on my website.